Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to create your account on Buzzcast live video chat application. So first of all you need to install this app and then tap on the open button. Then you can see the interface like this, like you can create your account, login with Google, login with mobile phone, with X, Line, Facebook or email. So I suggest you can create an account, login with Google. So then you must log in your Gmail account on your Gmail app, then tap on the login with Google, and it takes few time to connect with your Google automatically. Just wait a second to get the interface. It's loading now. So you can see, then you have to give your nickname. You can change your nickname here. You can type free type, then you can choose your gender and birthday also. So you can create your birthday and then tap on the save button, and invitation code optional. If you have invitation code from your friend, then tap the next. So it's loading now, and that's it. It's really easy and popular. So notification don't allow, you can allow it later. So this way you can create your account on Buzzcast. So today's Noma, and see you in the next video.